Come back, sir. Observe now. Now, first point. Right? Please understand, please. Okay. What is the use of VPC peering? First we go to the same concept. What is the VPC peering we done in the normal AWS classes? Same concept by this also same only. But what is the limitation of peering? What is the disadvantage? I'm going to tell you. But you people no need to do. Yes, I'm going to do this. Where we're going to use this extensively. Everything I'm going to explain you. Give it some. Yes, sir. Okay. VPC peering, yes, sir, is what is it? What is the advantage of VPC peering? Yes, sir. VPC peering, anyone can explain me. Any answer is okay. Who is telling? Yes, sir.
Which
No. Any other answer?
giving private network to required other private network access
Hmm.
to required any other company.
Any other company? Okay. Can you almost right, sir? Anyone can explain it clearly? Anyone? Don't make me to pick the person. Can you try, madam? VPC peering. Otherwise, you stop. You, sir.
We should be able to connect the private network outside the network.
Private network, outside network. That example, can you tell me? Example. Try, madam. No combination answer. Next person. VPC peering. That's the thing I please understand here. Now, please observe. Please, sir. See now, please observe. Private server will defaultly be able to connect inside the VPC. Now the private server can be able to connect only inside the VPC. That means VPC 2 ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ VPC 2 public server can be able to connect the private server in the same network. Yes or no? Correct no? Yes sir. Have a boy sir. Yes or no? Don't get stressed out, sir. Everyone will be able to get the job. No issue. Please have the positive thinking. It will happen. Alright. Only thing we can do is we can try. Some people start applying job within 1 week they'll get. Some people after get 6 months. That's not your fault. Alright. That depends. It will take time. Come back here. Now my concept is public server. Public server of VPC 1 goal should be able to connect private server of VPC 2. Or different network. That's a should be able to connect private server of public and the ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ automatic. Public server VPC 1 can be able to connect the public server VPC 2 because it is a 0.000. It's a public. Everybody able to connect. My goal is public VPC 1 should be able to connect the private server of VPC 2. Understanding my point, sir? This is our goal. Getting my point? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes, sir. This is our goal. This we achieved by using VPC peering. Correct, sir? What we done, sir? We went to VPC. First, let me show. No need to do. You people no need to do. Just I'll show the things. 1-2 minutes. Then we'll go. VPC peering connection of You don't do. I create a peering connection. I'll give you this requester. VPC 1 ಬಂದು public ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Destination ಬಂದು private server VPC. Yes, sir. ಇದು ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ we go and accept the request. You are able to see. We going to send a request from public server V1 to VPC2. Then we going to view and accept the request. Yes or no? After that, connection can be built. What are the steps we done? Next, we created a public server of VPC1, private server VPC2. Then we created peering connection like this. Then we accept the request. After accepting the request, what we done? Key. Inbound rules alle, inbound rules alla. Route table. Route table alle VPC1 route table. I'm going to add the VPC2 details. VPC2 route table. I'm going to add the VPC1. So you can add. Yes, sir. Today also endpoint functionality is same. But now, if I send a request to Satya, you need to accept the request in Instagram. Then only I can follow it. Yes or no? This is same thing. But we need to accept the request, then only you can do. But in transit gateway, that's not the thing. Transit gateway is not sending request, it's sending you on gateway. We creating on gateway. What are the networks need to be allowed? Please understand. What are the networks need to be allowed? We just mentioning it, it will automatically allow. And another drawback I can tell, another limitation in VPC peering is we can have maximum of 125 connection. Hangandre, VPC1 inda we can have a connection to maximum of 125 connection. VPC1 to VPC 125. If it exceeds that type of connection, it can't do. That is a one-sided connection. VPC1 having a peering connection to VPC2. VPC1 having a connection to VPC3. Doesn't mean that VPC2 can connect to VPC1. Correct? It's a one-sided connection, sir. VPC2 is a VPC1 model. Already VPC2 only requester agate. We going to send a connection, then it will accept the request. Understanding my point, sir? Correct? It's a one-sided connection and also maximum of 125 connection can only created. One VPC only maximum can have a 125 connection. It can be very much useful in the startup company and medium-sized company and big-sized company also. We can use it. So if we exceed the more number of connection exceed 125, VPC won't be available. Then VPC peering won't be available. Understand what, sir? Same thing we go to achieve. Endpoint is same, but we are going with the transit gateway. In transit gateway, we are not sending requests, sir. We just add in the connection. What are the need to be allowed in the gateway? Illen ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ connection data send ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. Illen ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. We go to create your gateway. Correct? Here I am going to mention what are the IPs, what are the VPC need to be allowed. Correct? That's it. Correct? It will automatically allow. It will work in architect teams, sir. We also, you people for your level, we are not going to do the transit gateway, but I am going to do. It is an additional topic. It will be useful for. Understand my point, sir? And VPC peering, transit gateway, both are same endpoint. But VPC peering ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕಳಿಸಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಅವ್ರು ಅಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೇನೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಇಲ್ಲ ಹಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. Understanding, sir? Here, where the bigger network, we use the transit gateway. Where smaller and medium sized network, where we have connection within 125. We can go to VPC peering. Exit transit gateway. It doesn't mean that if it is a 125 connection idaga transit gateway use ಮಾಡಬಾರದು ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲ. If what are the things you want, you can use it. Depend upon your network. Getting my point, sir? Understand? Yes, no? I'm going to do, sir. VPC peering is a option feature in a VPC. Correct? Transit gateway is a separate service. Transit gateway is a separate service. VPC feature ಬಂದು NAC ಅಲ್ಲೋ VPC, subnet, internet, there are a lot of options coming in under VPC. But transit gateway is a separate service in the AWS for routing the connection. That's a build one by one, sir. No need to worry. I'll do. No need to do. Just observe. I'm going to write the thing. What are the things you're going to do? Observe now. First, what I'm going to do? Please observe. Please observe. Please observe. Please observe. I'm going to create a public server in VPC 1. Create a private server in VPC 2. Correct, sir? Next, create a transit gateway. Correct. Next, I'm going to create a transit what all the network you want to allow for each VPC. We need to create a transit gateway attachment. Correct, sir? Route table work nಮಗೆ VPC subnet instance level. Correct? For transit gateway, we have another called as a transit gateway route table. Transit gateway route. This is the main thing. Here you going to modify the route. Next, first I'm going to prepare one by one. Let's see one by one. Getting, sir? Understanding? First I'll go to EC2. We'll do one by one, sir. No worry. See, sir, yeah. Already have server. Public server, no? VPC. And VPC CIDR I want. I'm going to add it. First, the public server, no? VPC complete details I'm going to collect. Okay. Next, other private server banana. Then you're going to do this one. Please understand, sir. Private server. I need to correct the private server. Public IP also. And private IP also. Because private server, public IP idru ಏನು use ಇಲ್ಲ. Private IP. I'm going to show you. Wait for some time. Next, I'm going to correct for VPC. I need to correct a CIDR. That I'll do it. Subnet I'll note down. Oh, I'll open the VPC. Okay. Yes, sir. Come back here now. To prove that is a public and private, I go back one. I'll go in instance data only. I go to please observe, please observe, please observe. Don't do anything. Keep your mind here, sir, please. It's a public server. When you go to subnet, in the public server route table, we should have an internet gateway. Then it is a public server. Is a route table now. It's a note down for public server route table. Okay. Tag martini routes early. It should have an internet gateway. Is there, sir? Yes, sir. Next, I'll go for private server. Let's I'll drag down. Yeah, subnet. I click on the subnet. Drag down. We have route table here. I click on route table and note down the route table. In this route table, we should not have internet gateway. I'm not connecting internet also. NAT to Kotilla. NAT to Kotilla, sir. That is correct, sir. Now, for your confirmation, first I'm going to connect to the public server of VPC 1. Notable VPC 542 is the VPC 1 ending. Second VPC 1 though 85C. Both are different. Yes, sir. No. I'm going to connect the first server. Please consider point it, sir. Understand correctly. Hello. SSH-I downloads. Connecting, sir. Correct, sir. SSH. I'll take the private server IP of VPC 2. Copying. Yes, sir. This private is trying to connect from public server of VPC 1. I'm going to show you in directly connecting from outside from VPC 2 server. Please observe. Private server we can justify only if it's not able to connect from outside and also from other network it should not be able to connect. I'm in my laptop now. I'll try to connect the private server. Okay. Private IP ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. If you want to verify the public IP of private server also. Normally public IP baralla private server. Since I enabled the public auto assign public IP, it came. Even though if you have public IP also private server, you're not able to connect. Yes, sir. This proves it is a private server. Clear, sir? Now we'll go for the connection one by one. Now I'll go to transit gateway. ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲೇ VPC ಡ್ರ್ಯಾಗ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಿಟ್ ಗೇಟ್ವೇ ಬಂತಾ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಎಸ್ ಸರ್ ಐ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಆನ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಿಟ್ ಗೇಟ್ವೇ I click on create transit gateway. Transit gateway. Step 15. Okay. Description I'll add it same. Not required. ASA number. It will automatically assign, sir. You no need to worry about it. This also CID are also automatically assigned. No need to worry. Correct production. They give the number. We need to give it. Since the free tier account, it will go into automatically assign. At least it will take around 2 to 3 minutes to become available. You should clearly understand VPC peering is sending request direct to VPC. ಇಲ್ಲಿ VPC ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಗೇಟ್ವೇ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಅಲೋ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಗೇಟ್ವೇ ಅಲೋ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸರ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಮೈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ರೈಟ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಸರ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಪೀಪಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಟೇಕನ್ ಸರ್ ಯು 3 people correct or no yes sir none of practical test are not taken I don't know that thing next week tomorrow we'll arrange tomorrow they will practical please take it sir tomorrow also will be there next week also will be there please I told tomorrow or next week beginning of class next week I told tomorrow only right I'm confused a little bit sorry till we'll have put up to what I told till we have up to everything will be there till Amazon SSM agent Okay, please. No, available aita. Come back. Transit gateway is ready now. Please observe. No, I created transit gateway step by step. This step will note down now. Transit gateway is ready. Okay. Next step. What are the VPC you are allowing? Which all the VPC you want to connect? For each VPC, you want to create an attachment. That is transit gateway attachment. Next route table. What to allow? E route table. This is separate route table. Transit gateway route table. Again, we need to mention that route table also. We're going to do step by step. Clear, sir? Next, I'm going to transit gateway attachment. Yes, sir. Now click on transit gateway attachment. Transit attachment VPC 1 ಗೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ gateway ID ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ VPC ಫಸ್ಟ್ VPC ಇದು 172.31 yes sir clear this I'll create this is the attachment for first VPC. Now I'm going to create another transit gateway attachment. Transit attachment VPC 2 second one VPC transit gateway ID ಇಲ್ಲಿ VPC test VPC. Yes sir, getting my point right? Clear? This one I created. Next we need to create the transit gateway route table. Last step. Correct? What to allow, what not to allow. That will do it. Then we go and try to connect the server from VPC1 public server in the VPC2 private server. It should work. Let's see. It should become available, sir. You need to wait, sir. VPC1 attachment. Ito. VPC2 attachment. Okay. Come back here now. Still is pending only. No. One is available. We'll wait for another one. Both are available. Yes, sir. No. Only request if accept only it will work. Here just we already know it should work. We already taken approval everything. So creating a gateway from this gateway. First VPC1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಈ gateway ಅಲ್ಲಿ VPC2 mention ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ it going to allow. There is no permission required here. Getting my point, sir? Next I'm going to transit gateway route table. Where is route table? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ? I'm going to create a default ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ sir, but we're not going to consider that one. Now transit gateway route step 50. Transit gateway ID. ಆಯ್ತು. Next I need to create a association. Subnet association ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ route table ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅದೇ ತರನೇ ಇಲ್ಲೇ attachment association. One subnet can be attached to the only one route table. One route table can have multiple subnets, but one subnet can be associated to only one route table. One route table is subnet association can be multiple, but one subnet can be associated to only one route table. Understanding? Clear, sir? Okay. ಇಲ್ವಾ? Done, sir. Previously it was only one, correct? Transit gateway route table 15. Straight ಆಗಿದ್ಯಾ? Yes or no? Yes, sir. Now I'm going to copy paste this. Okay. Now association. Create association. ಇಲ್ಲಿ first VPC ಇದು attachment. Which are the things you, for each VPC, what are the things you having, you want to allow network. For each VPC, what are the VPC contributing for via transit gateway? For each VPC, we require attachment. Actually, give me some time. Clear, sir? That's the thing I told. One subnet can have only one route table. This attachment is already, once you create an attachment, right? Automatically, it got linked to default. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ. Correct? So you want to verify 83C432. Correct? I need to disassociate from the default route table. Default transit gateway. Delete the association. Another one also. Delete the association. Clear, sir? Now I'm going to associate these two in that one. Clear? Okay. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ. Create association. VPC1 ಗೆ create. Done. Again I'll do for VPC2 association. ಆಯ್ತಾ? Associating, sir. Next, associate ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ we need to select the propagation. Create a propagation is what are the network you want to allow. Associate ಮಾಡೋದೊಂದು, propagator what are the connection you want to allow. Let me do, sir. So, sir, suddenly. Okay. Create a propagation. Please observe. Please observe. Please observe. Selecting the VPC1. Create a propagation. Again, I need to select the which are the connection you want to allow. Again, create a propagation. VPC2. Attachment is mandatory. Propagation is for allowing a network from where to where. Correct, sir. How to block also I'm going to tell you. How to block a particular IP. Allow ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ VPC1 ಇಂದ VPC2 allow ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ಇವಾಗ. Correct? ಆದರೆ ಈ particular VPC2 ಅಲ್ಲಿ particular server ಮಾತ್ರ connect ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು. That also I'm going to try. Clear, sir? Clear? Next we'll do that one. No. Routes ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Routes automatic ಆಗಿ ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಬಂದಿದ್ಯಾ? Router automatically came. Clear, sir? Now everything done. Now I'll try to connect. Work or not will. Right? Now I'll try to connect. I mean public server. ಅವೆಲ್ಲ connect ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. Already got it connected. I need to connect once again. Give me 1 minute. Okay. Let me connect to the public server first. Their private server. ಇದು public server. Yes, sir. What, sir? What, Ravi? Huh?
Two coffee are needed.
I know. Come back here. No, I'll try to connect. Still it's not connecting. ಇವಾಗ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಿಟ್ ಗೇಟ್ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಿಟ್ ಗೇಟ್ ವೇ ವಿ ಅಲೋಡ್ ದ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ವಿಪಿಸಿ 1 to ವಿಪಿಸಿ 2 ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ಶೂರೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಅಲೋ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ ಇನ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಿಟ್ ಗೇಟ್ ವೇ ಅಲೋಡ್ ಸರ್ ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ಶೂರೆನ್ಸ್ ಲಾಂಚ್ ಆಗೋದು ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಸಬ್ನೆಟ್ ಇಂದ ಸಬ್ನೆಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ರೌಟ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ರೌಟ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಿಟ್ ಗೇಟ್ ವೇ ರೌಟ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಬೇರೆ our VPC route table is separate. In transit gateway allowed, but VTN doesn't know. Getting my friends, the last step. In route table, I'm going to make a both as a friend now. VPC1 route table, VPC2 details ಆಗ್ತೀನಿ via transit gateway. VPC2 route table, I'm going to add the VPC1 detail via transit gateway. ಅಲ್ಲಿ peering connection ಇಂದ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಹೌದಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ transit gateway. Understand my point, sir? Yes, sir. Yeah. Last step we completed. Then you come to know the complete detail. Let me close all the things. I'll do one by one. So we'll be having clear idea. I'll close all the things. Nodi, please, please. I'll go to first to public. Nodi, please, 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 please. I go to public. Drag down. I go to click on the subnet. Subnet to click ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. Route table. I'm going to click on the route table. Route table. Edit the routes. ಏನಿದೆ ಲೋಕಲ್ ಇದೆ ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ಗೇಟ್ವೇ ಇದೆ I want to allow second network. Correct. I collected already VPC of the second network. 10.20. Yes, sir. Correct. ಇವಾಗ ಇದು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಿಟ್ ಗೇಟ್ವೇ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸರ್ವರ್ ಔಟ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸರ್ವರ್ ವಿಪಿಸಿ ಹಾಕ್ತೀವಿ ಎಸ್ ಸರ್ ನಾವು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸರ್ವರ್ subnet I'll click it. Subnet ಅಲ್ಲಿ route table. We have only one local. Correct, sir? I'm going to click on editors. I want to allow the first server VPC. First server VPC MCADRO ಇದು. Correct ಅಲ್ವಾ? Understanding, sir? ಆಯ್ತಾ? I'll try to connect. ನೋಡ್ತೀನಿ. Okay. Internet issue. Need to connect. Work ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. I came back to desktop. Okay. This is a public server. I'll show you once again, sir. 54.82 public. Correct? Login ಆದ. What? Ravi Kumar. Why? Good. Okay. Now I'll try to connect to the private. ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು ಇವಾಗ ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಗೆಟ್ ಪರ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಡಿನೈಟ್ ಓಕೆ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ನೋಡೋಣ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಸರ್ ಪರ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಡಿನೈಟ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸರ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ ವಿ ಸ್ಪಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಿಟ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಎಂಡ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಎರಡು ಒಂದೇ ಎಂಡ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನಾಲಿಟಿ ಬಟ್ ಹೌ ವಿ ಗೋ ಟು ಅಚೀವ್ ಇಸ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ VPC peering ಹಂಗೆ defaultly 125 connection only you can create. This is two side. This is dual. VPC 1 VPC 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, VPC 2 ಇಂದ VPC 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Understanding sir? This will be a larger network. This actually we going to use this in architect level. For your level, not going to use. L2 level, we not going to use, but I'm telling you at understood? Yes or no? You wrote it, yeah? Clear? I repeat once again. First, you create the transit gateway. And for what are the VPC you want to communicate with that transit gateway? For each transit gateway, for each VPC, I need to create a attachment. Correct? Sir? Then I go to create a understood, sir? Clear? Now I'm going to this server alone. I'm going to create another private server in the VPC 2. But that server should not work. How to block a particular thing? Yes, sir. Then I'm going to create another server under VPC 2 only, private server. I'm going to show that one. Always happy, sir. ಏನು ಕತೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ದು ಮುಗುಳ್ನಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಪ್ರಶಾಂತವಾದ ನಗೆ ಅದು. ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿರ್ತೀರ. ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿರೋದು ಒಳ್ಳೇದೇ. ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ. ಗಂಟೆ always sitting like this. Give some happiness to him. Huh? What 20 ಗಂಟೆ? Nothing, sir. ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಡಿ ಸರ್, ಸೈಲೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರಿ ಸರ್ ಅಂತೀರಾ. Private server 2. Come back here now. Detail Amazon Linux 2 I'll select. That would I right? Let's just show. Name is selected. Detail login. Happened today. See now network please observe. Default is the second VPC. Okay, getting my point right? I'm creating a second VPC 10.20. Correct? Private subnet ಇರೋದಲ್ಲಿ out of the public we enable ಕೊಟ್ಟರು, ಏನು ಯೂಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. Let me view it. Security group not required anything. 22 already ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ. Okay, fine. Clear on that. Both are the private server are same. Now it is able to connect, but I want to block this one now. It will work now. Correct? Let me complete it, sir. Then I'll show the details. Then you can try. Then you don't need to try, just observe it. I'll show you. Okay, good dear. What happened here? ನೋಡಿ ಸರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಟ್ ಡೌನ್ ಸರ್, ಇದು ಪ್ರೈವೇಟ್ ಸರ್ವರ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ನೋಟ್ ಡೌನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತೀನಿ. This is the server 1, this is server 2. Private IP. Private public. Public. Okay. Private IP ಬಂದು please observe, don't speak sir. ಎರಡು ಸೇಮ್ ರೇಂಜ್ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಎಸ್ ಸರ್. VPC ನೋಡೋಣ. VPC ಸೇಮ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಬಟ್ ಅದನ್ನು ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಇಟ್. VPC. Same idea. Yes, sir. Correct, right? Now I'll try to connect this private server. Okay, it should work. I connect to my own. Okay, please observe now. I'll try to connect the private server now. Private new private server. It should work, sir. At least SSH should work. Permission 8, okay? Work ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? Yes, sir. This I want to block. Right? So I go back to transit gateway route table. So tomorrow make sure your mobile internet is working fine. Okay, and see what you're trying. Okay, please. Before that, what are the preparation need to be done? I'll inform. Password key authentication should be done. And what is that? Password is keygen. SS keygen need to be done for both. So prepare and come tomorrow. We start with the Ansible tomorrow. Cloud migration, I need to tell. Cloud migration. Any doubts, sir? Any concern? In weekday batch, I may do Docker also. I'll call you people at that time. Please come. After 1 month. After 1 month or 20 days. After 1 month. I may cover Docker also for them. Right, sir? You can, if you're interested, you can come up. Yes. I'll cover Ansible. Is a promise, sir. If the weekend batch got delayed, next week they're starting weekend batch. Next week also Ansible we're doing 3 days. Ansible, correct? Next week also covering Ansible. If the weekend batch got delayed, next week they told. Clear, sir? Yes or no? Come on. ಏನ್ ಸರ್ ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ಈಗ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಕಡೆ ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಇದೆ ನನಗೆ ಏನ್ ಸರ್ ಇದು ರವಿಕುಮಾರ್ still rotating, sir. Rotating. Global internal. IG. And two is that. Second. DevOps, how they're doing, sir? They're also doing internet only, right? No. Come back, sir, now. Please, Abda. Please, Abda, please, Abda, please. 1 second. Again rotating.